Hey guys, my name is Helena. I'm the digital officer at HBLC Marketing, and today I'm going to share with you 10 Instagram story hacks. And if you watch till the end, I might share a bonus one. Enough talking, let's jump on my phone screen.
So let's start with the color selection. I'm going to first show you how to access the entire color palette. Just press and hold one of the color you like and it will open the color palette. You can also use the eyedropper to pick a color from your image. So now that you know how to access that, let's show you how to do gradient and rainbow text. For the gradient, select your text and with your other finger select the color and slowly swipe vertically while you swipe horizontally on the text. And here we are, you got a nice purple gradient. For the rainbow, it's the same, but both fingers are swiping horizontally. And this is how you get the nice rainbow text. To create a nice template just using the app, you can create boxes. For that, all you need is to tap a dot, make a couple of spaces, tap another dot. And after that, you make it as big as you want. You can adjust it, adjust the color to make it match with your identity. And here we are, you have a customized template just using the IG Story app. This is one of my favorites, hide hashtags and locations. Some people will advise you to make it small until it disappears or to make it the same color of the background to hide it. But guys, I'm going to show you an easy way to hide them, so watch carefully. Hold the sticker with your left finger. Press the screen with your right finger and use your right finger to swipe the sticker out of the story screen. And by doing this, you will still appear on the feature hashtag and location. How awesome! This one is pretty basic. You write a text and superimpose the same text in another color to create a depth effect. Easy but efficient to design your stories. This is a smart way to share with your community your last post and to drive them to your post with an efficient call to action button. So simply go to your post, tap on the share button and click add post to your story. And done! You can select if you want the caption to appear or not, make it bigger, put stickers to hide it and pick your audience curiosity. Well, you got me. There are many ways to design your story once you have created this link. In the same idea, if you want to write something in an original way or reveal your last post, you can create a background and reveal it with the eraser. Press a color and hold the screen to color the entire background. Then, select the eraser and write something to reveal the background's image. The first step is to go to this website. The link is in the description of the video. Go to the step 1, copy-paste the blank text. You can save it in your iPhone keyboard by going to General, Keyboard, Plus, name it, I chose IG Space, and save it. Paste it on your IG story, choose a background and ta-da, you get a nice box to customize your story. You have to use a font that has the highlighted option. You can also use this space to build your IG caption. To create nice layout using just IG app, here's the way to go. Select the first image, go to your photo app, select another picture, click on the share button, select copy, go back to the IG app and select paste. Repeat the steps to add another picture. You can do it as many times as you want. Also, if you have asked a question to your audience to share multiple answers in one story, go to your story's answers, select one, select share to my story, save it, discard, open another answer, share it in the story, and reopen the last picture you saved as a background. Now you save this new background and repeat the steps to add as many answers as it can fit. Okay, so I found this one not long ago, so you can select a live picture from your photo app, and if you press and hold on it once it's in your story, it will create a boomerang. How cool!
Thanks so much for watching till the end. So as promised, here my bonus tip. Let's jump back on the phone screen.
Look for a GIF. By the way, by tapping on a GIF, it's gonna flip. Extend it until it recovers the background. Save the story. reopen it and cover it with a color background. And write with the eraser. And here you go, you got an original moving background.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you've learned something new. If you know any other story hacks, just drop them down in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.